Today is Sunday, March 15th. This is the 1967 Cadillac transparent lens cover for the instrument cluster for the 1967 Cadillac DeVille, Fleetwood, and Eldorado. This is the 32-inch long monolithic single vacuum formed molded transparent lens cover for the instrument cluster comprising the speedometer, the clock, the tripometer, odometer, and the indicator light gauges. So this unit has been fully restored for my friend Brian at Custom Classics in Chicago, Illinois, and it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, and this will be shipping out tomorrow as soon as I get Brian's okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is the 1 year only 32-inch long monolithic instrument cluster transparent lens cover. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillacs, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, steering columns, the instrument clusters, power seat mechanisms, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Sunday, March 15th. Thank you very kindly.